Hi, so here's something I'm going to try. So I read somewhere that coffee grounds make very good compost, and I mean organic matter as well makes very good compost. So I thought to myself, I know these are probably going to be old and not fresh, but organic matter is organic matter, right? I'll put these, take whatever tea is left, green leaves or coffee that's left, put them in this Ziploc bag, and put them in my little compost heap and feed my plants. Alright, so let's get to it. Green tea. I should have a plan for this. Guess I'm just gonna make a mess. Alright, how about that? I'll put it this way. Then okay, this isn't this the cutest spoon ever. It says Ottawa, but I got it here in Toronto at a garage sale. I have 3 of them, but they're all over the place. But I just think it's a perfect size for doing little jobs like that, like this. And these are fresh from today from the coffee machine at work. Peppermint. Alright, so it's a little more stable now that it has something in the bottom. Messing with the bag. Okay, another green tea. I think I might use this to feed my blueberries. The reason why I want to try this on my blueberries is because they haven't grown much since I sprouted. They're still very tiny. I'm thinking maybe I don't have enough nutrition, maybe the soil isn't great, or maybe it's just because it's winter, they're supposed to be dormant and they're not growing. I don't know. I'm still a beginner, so I'll learn as I go. I think the favorite at work, guys, is green tea. After pulling out all the coffee grounds and all the tea leaves, I can say that fair trade coffee, this one, is one of the favorites, and green tea is also one of the favorites. I like the green tea. I had green tea today at work. Tasted yummy. Had it with milk and sugar. Yum. So you get the point with the process, right? Open the container, scrape out what's in there, put it in the bag. So when I get to the greenhouse, I'm going to take this bag of organic matter and mix it in with the soil that I do have. And then the next time I want to repot something, I'll use that. I don't know, is anyone counting? How many is this? Makes one Ziploc bag. I promise I'll stop soon, but I have to tell you about this flavor tea that they have at work. They have this other one called chicken soup. Tastes awful. But it does kind of sort of taste like chicken soup. It's just the seasonings, I guess, they packaged up and put in there. I did try it once when I was sick to go, but I'll never do that again. Okay, so I'm gonna just go light speed through this. At the end, I counted about 25 canisters. So 25 canisters make one sandwich size Ziploc bag of compost material. Yay! Yep, so, and we're done. So that was a good day. I'm not sure how many days of coffee and tea drinking that was at work, but it was, the machine was relatively full when I cleaned it, and that gives you one whole bag of compost. Coffee and tea compost. So, heading to the greenhouse tomorrow to put this in my compost bin. Yay! Good deal.